The secret to feeling stronger, sharper, and more energetic after 60 was already sitting on your plate. As we age, our bodies change. Muscles become weaker, digestion slows down, bones need more care, and energy levels are not the same as before. But here's the good news. The right foods can make a powerful difference at any age. Today, we're sharing the 10 best foods for seniors that support heart health, brain function, strong bones, better digestion, and lasting energy. These foods are simple, affordable, and commonly available across the United States. Whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, adding these foods to your daily routine can help you feel healthier and more confident every day. So stay with us until the end, because food truly is medicine, especially after 60. Not one. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the best breakfast foods for seniors. It is rich in soluble fiber, which help lower bad cholesterol, supports heart health. Oatmeal also keeps blood sugar levels steady, making it an excellent choice for seniors managing diabetes. Another big benefit is digestion. Oatmeal is gentle on the stomach and helps prevent constipation, which is very common in older adults. Choose plain oats instead of sugary instant packets. You can add fruits, nuts, or a little honey for natural sweetness. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrition powerhouse for seniors. They are high in quality protein, which helps maintain muscle mass and strength. Muscle loss is a major issue with aging, and protein plays a key role in slowing it down. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12, which supports brain function and energy levels, something many seniors lack. Unless your doctor says otherwise, eating eggs in moderation is safe and healthy. 3. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best foods for heart and brain health. It is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and support memory and focus. Omega-3s are especially important for seniors at risk of heart disease or cognitive decline. Salmon is also high in vitamin D, which supports strong bones and immune health. Aim to eat fatty fish like salmon at least 2 times per week. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and lettuce are essential foods for seniors. These greens are rich in vitamin K, calcium, and antioxidants, which help maintain bone strength and reduce the risk of fractures. They also support eye health and may help slow age-related vision problems. Add leafy greens to soups, salads, smoothies, or lightly saute them with olive oil for better absorption of nutrients. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent food for digestion and bone health. It contains probiotics, which support gut health and improve digestion. A healthy gut also helps boost immunity. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium and protein, both essential for strong bones and muscles. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fruit for flavor. 6. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are small but extremely powerful. They are loaded with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and protect the brain from age-related decline. Blueberries in particular are known to support memory and cognitive function. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them ideal for weight management. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or added to oatmeal and yogurt. 7. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. Nuts are one of the healthiest snacks for seniors. They contain healthy fats, protein, and minerals like magnesium that support heart health and brain function. Walnuts are especially good for the brain, while almonds support bone strength. Because nuts are calorie-dense, stick to a small handful per day. 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of energy for seniors. They are rich in beta-carotene, which supports immune health and vision. Sweet potatoes also provide potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. They are easy to digest and naturally sweet, making them a healthy alternative to refined carbs. Bake, boil, or mash them. Avoid deep frying. 9. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are excellent plant-based protein sources. They are high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. They also provide iron, which helps fight fatigue. For seniors who eat less meat, beans and lentils are a great way to maintain strength and nutrition. Add them to soups, stews, or salads. 10. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats for aging bodies. It supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and may help protect against cognitive decline. Extra virgin olive oil is best. Use it for cooking at low heat or drizzle it over salads and vegetables. Replacing butter or processed oils with olive oil can make a big difference in overall health. Final thoughts. Aging doesn't mean losing strength or energy. It means becoming smarter about how we care for our bodies. By adding these 10 best foods for seniors to your daily meals, you can support your heart, brain, bones, and digestion naturally. Remember, small changes lead to big results. You don't have to change everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 foods and build from there. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more senior health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to living stronger, healthier, and happier at every age.